really, this package looks great. It looks like something that's meant for a national park, much larger 8x12 guard booth, and that looks a lot better. They just had this little 3x3 stick build that looked like it's been there forever. Every single time a customer came to actually see the falls, they had to get out of their car to actually reach the guard booth. It's a lot bigger, it's a lot nicer. You can put 2 guards in there now, and the customers come through and they get to just roll down their window. What we put together was not just your average trim. You do bronze with a nice forest green look and some fake film that went up to about 42 inches as well on the exterior, with nice roof line with gutter system and all that good stuff too. Yeah, Dutch doors in there, which is, the bottom half could stay shut while they swing open the top, and a locking sliding door. Just having lockable windows and making sure those guards are safe is important as well. And the nice part about it too is it all came in on fork-liftable base. So the implementation of it was extremely easy. It came right out of your facility ready to go. It was really nice. It's not just your standard package. You look at it and it definitely seems like something that's meant to be there.